hear him whistle. Don't look behind you.
This is not a Hollywood film clip. I just created this horror film using a platform called TapNow. In this video, I will share the step-by-step method of creating a film using TapNow. I will also share how you can win 200,000 cash rewards via Tap TV Arena, 10,000 Parallel Universes contest. Let's dive in. Okay, this is the TapNow homepage. If you don't know about TapNow yet, it's a multimodal generative AI platform for creators and filmmakers. You can access all the powerful generative AI models and create a workflow to create a film, commercial, product photo, or any other content. Okay, enough talk. Let's get into the video. First of all, create an account on TapNow. You will find the link in the description. Alright, here on the home page, you will find all the features and a vast number of templates. At the top bar, you will find an option called Tap TV. This is basically the Netflix of TapNow. Here, you will find various content created with TapNow. Not only that, you will find the full workflow to create the project. You can customize the workflow and create your own project. However, today, I will start from scratch. So, I am coming to the workspace. Here, you will find all of my previous projects. This is my private project. If you are working as a team, you can create a team project and work as a team remotely. Okay, I am creating a new private project. Okay, this is our workflow canvas. At this moment, it's empty. We can add nodes here in this canvas to create a new workflow. For example, I am adding a text node to create a text prompt. After adding the node, I am entering the text. Create a detailed image prompt from this idea. 2 characters in a martial art pose. You can change the LLM model from here. Now, hit the send button. And here it is. The detailed prompt is ready. Now, I will add a new image generation node to create the image. Once the image generation node is added, select the image model. Set the settings like aspect ratio, resolution, and others. In the end, you will find Cinema Lab, which means here you can set the camera and lens combo. You can set the camera body, lens, focal length, and aperture. This feature gives you a full cinematic experience. Here, in this box, you can enter the prompt. However, we already have the prompt. So, I will hit the generate button. And here it is, the image is ready. Now, look at the quality of the image. We just created this cinematic image from just an idea. Okay, now I will create a video clip with this image. So, I am adding a video generation node. Once the node is added, we have to enter the prompt here in this box. I am adding a very simple prompt. Once the prompt is ready, we have to select the video model. You will find a bunch of options, including Seedance 2.0, Kling 3.0, Sora 2, VO 3.1, and others. Select which one you want to use, select the settings, and then hit the generate button. After waiting for some time, I got this result. This is really amazing. Now, you can edit this video or save it to your device. In this method, you can create scenes one by one and create the final video. This requires better prompt understanding and a huge amount of time. However, if you are not an expert, don't worry. The AI agent will help you. You just need to talk to the agent and it will build the workflow for you. Let's imagine I am creating a horror short film. Here is my script. I am copying the script and then creating a new project on TapNow. Now I will come to the AI agent and ask it, I want to create a film with this script. After that, I will paste the script. Now you can attach images or videos. After that, you can select a mode between Pro and Max. Next, you will find the type of agent. Currently, we are in the Ask mode, which will ask us before every generation. If you select the Auto mode, the agent will work automatically and create the final result. Okay, we are done. However, you can also enable the voice input mode here. Hit the send button. Now the agent will analyze the script and our request. After that, it will start planning the video. First of all, it will create the screenplay. And here it is. The screenplay is ready. It creates a detailed scene-by-scene script play. Once the screenplay is ready, it will start creating the visual Bible and storyboard map. Now, if you are not satisfied with the screenplay, you can stop the agent and ask it to customize the screenplay. I think it's perfect. Okay, our storyboard map is ready. The agent suggests we create 16 storyboard images. You will find the storyboard image description here. Now, you just have to click on the Confirm button. Before that, you can select the image model, set the aspect ratio, resolution, quality, and others. TapNow Agent suggests GPT Image 2 to create the images. That's perfect. Hit the Confirm button. Then GPT Image 2 will start creating the images. And here it is. All the images are ready. Now preview all the images. These images are perfect for a horror film. The visual aspect, the color grading, and the consistency. Everything is top-notch. I really like this. You can notice that every scene used a perfect lens combo. This is not random. It keeps the visual quality and cinematography consistent. Okay, now if you think there are some issues in any image, you can regenerate the image. For example, in this image, the character is not holding the bike handle. So, I will regenerate the image. I will set the settings and then hit the generate button. And here it is. The new image is ready. This is perfect. Now, in the same method, preview all the images and customize if needed. Okay, I think the storyboard images are perfect. Now, it's time to generate the video. So I'm typing, the storyboard is perfect. Now please move ahead to video generation. Now the agent will start planning video generation. It will create the video with Seedance 2.0 according to the plan. So, it will create detailed prompts for every scene. And here it is, all the prompts are ready. You can see the prompts from here. The prompts are really very detailed. It mentioned the reference images perfectly. Now, we just have to click on the Confirm button to generate the video. And here you can see that the agent automatically added 6 video generation nodes in the canvas. And every node is connected to the storyboard image nodes. Everything is automated. We don't have to do anything. Okay, the video is generating. And here it is. All the video clips are ready. After previewing all the clips, I can say these are really amazing and perfect for my video. If you think any video clip has an issue, you can regenerate it. Here, you will find some more editing features. You can cut the clips, upscale the video, replace with another clip, and save to the device. I will save all the video clips to my device and stitch them with a video editor. And here is our film trailer.
The 3 more disappearances reported near Black Hollow Road. 55 crashes and pinned onto Croesus apron.
Hello? People keep talking about the whistling. What is it?
If you hear him whistle, don't look behind you.
That's our fault.
So, just now, I created this horror film using TapNow Agent and Workflow. Now, you can share your workflow with others or your team members. You can publish it on Tap TV also. Okay, so now we can create any kind of content with TapNow. It's super simple. However, now let's talk about the 200,000 cash rewards I talked about earlier. TapNow is running something called the 10,000 Parallel Universes competition. $200,000 in cash prizes, plus 200,000 tapies, and, here's the crazy part, the winning films could get picked up for full IP development, like turned into an actual movie or series. You will find all the details here. I will put the link in the description. So, create your film now and join the competition. And if this video helped you, hit subscribe. I'm documenting this whole journey and there's a lot more coming. Now go make something terrifying. See you in the next one.